GM Explorers, Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through the Metaverse as your no-shill resource. For this video, let's go over new tools and protocols to check out to level up your Web3 skills. Or basically, you might be airdrop hunting and checking out new ways to mint and interact with different tools may be beneficial for you in the future. If you were unaware of how to make a digital collectible, you may think it is as simple as going into OpenSea and then minting your artwork, but you would have to still spend ETH on gas transactions. One of the new tools to add to your belt comes from Zora, which we'll discuss later, and it allows you to take advantage of layer 2s. For those new, a layer 2, which is a set of off-chain solutions built on top of layer 1s like Ethereum that reduce bottlenecks with scaling and data. So while yes, we are far away from JPEG mania and true builders are here to stay, we are at the cycle when everyone that's discovered CryptoKitties and NFTs started to just flatline. I'd say it feels more like 2019, if anything, where a lot of opportunities are slowly coming up. There are more blockchain games being developed beyond the play-to-earn hype, and actual sustainable building can be seen with Yuga Labs as they recently announced a focus on Meebits, a project from the original CryptoPunks team prior to selling to Yuga Labs, which interestingly enough, there was a 20% increase in Meebits after that. It has now hovered between the floor price of 0.9 ETH to 1.2 ETH at the time of this recording. One of the leaders in bringing NFTs to the masses was the team at Dapper Labs, who created CryptoKitties and ushered in the new wave of digital goods with NBA Top Shot back in 2021. Now, their current news in the Flow EVM will be arriving. This means that the EVM compatible contracts like Uniswap, CryptoKitties, or MetaMask will be deployable to Flow. This move is one to keep an eye on, not just because of the Flow blockchain, but because the keyword when it comes to all digital goods is interoperability, which means the ability to share or see information across different blockchains. Next up is PartyDAO. Say you want to buy a CryptoPunk. Currently, the floor price is 45 ETH. If you want to split it among 9 other people, it would be 5 ETH each. PartyDAO is a multiplayer for Ethereum. You can create a group by pooling funds together, make decisions from collecting NFTs to accessing DeFi as one. PartyDAO is now available on Base, which is Coinbase's layer 2 scaling solution powered by Optimism. For the digital artists wanting to try out OpenSea as their storefront with creating NFTs, let me introduce OpenSea Studio, which is a no-code solution for creating your digital goods for Web3. Prior to the ability, it was a shared smart contract when it came to minting, meaning you didn't have complete customizability options available. As an added way of accessibility, OpenSea collectors can purchase from drops via credit card or debit card. OpenSea Studio is a one-stop shop for creators to launch and manage their NFT projects without any coding or technical skills. Features include creating, managing drops, minting NFTs, creating on compatible blockchain, and soon storytelling features and additions. Lazy minting will be replaced with OpenSea Studio. Now let's go over Zora's gas-free ability on its Zora L2 network. Zora makes it easy for creators to bring their work on chain, and now creators can make their collection available without bringing it on chain. The first buyer of the edition, the first minter, will pay the gas fee to publish that edition. The first minter will receive a reward for bringing it on chain, and content creators can create a collection for free. So why would you continue to explore the world of digital collectibles? First, for instance, OpenSea and Zora may have a token in the future, and interacting with their protocols and market may be a prerequisite to grant you that airdrop. Second, if and when the next hype cycle arrives in NFTs, you are prepared and are aware of all the tools available. Flow EVM is one to keep an eye on with Flow's native token, as sports collectors are still one to track with both NBA and NFL. PartyDAO is interesting, and I have been thinking of creating a group or a community to purchase a generative art together. Which ones out of the new tools mentioned is one that you've checked out or will check out? Let me know in the comments below. I do think OpenSea token is a possible one, considering they have OpenSea Pro and now integrating OpenSea Studios to work as one. Speaking of working together with the community, have you tried out SoFi lately, which is short for social finance? AVAX did have a project, one that we chose not to cover because it was a recent rug, but one that we still go over is frens, which is an invite-only app that allows you to hold keys of other creators. Check out the description below for a code and the next video if you want to learn more.